In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project in Jira, restore it and delete it. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just trying to keep things organized, knowing how to archive, restore or remove projects can be an essential part of your workflow. Let's start by discussing how to archive a project. First, you'll want to navigate to the Projects section on the left panel of your Jira dashboard. This is where you can see your current list of projects. Browse through the list and find the specific project you intend to archive. Once you've located it, you'll notice three small dots next to the project's name. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these dots and you'll see an option to archive project. Go ahead and select that option. After clicking, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision to ensure no accidental archiving, so take a moment to review and confirm that you indeed want to archive this project. Now let's say you want to restore a project that you've previously archived. You'll begin by clicking on the settings icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. From there, navigate to Projects and then select Archive. Here you'll find a list of all your archived projects ready to be restored. Scroll through and find the project you wish to bring back to active status. Once again, click on the three dots next to the project's name and this time select Restore. And just like that, your project is back and accessible in your active projects list. Finally, we come to the process of deleting a project. Much like when archiving, you'll start in the Projects area. Locate the project you want to delete from your list. Click on those three familiar dots next to the project's name and you'll notice an option that says Move to Trash. Selecting this option will initiate the deletion process. As a safety measure, Jira will ask you to confirm your choice, double check your selection to make sure you're ready to remove the project permanently, and then confirm. Your project will be moved to the trash and it's no longer part of your active or archived projects. By following these straightforward steps, you can manage your projects efficiently within Jira. Archiving helps keep your workspace clutter-free, restoring gives you flexibility if priorities change, and deleting ensures that unwanted or obsolete projects don't linger. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments section below and I'd be happy to help. That's all for now. Happy project managing.